I started with the nice dark blue on my lid. Forgive me for having the whole palette just up to my face the whole time. I wanted to make sure I was looking in that mirror to get it, and I'm like, I just really don't have time to, be messing up. And then I realized, hold on, I'm recording, so I should probably be looking at the camera too. My bad, guys. I can't believe I did my whole eyelids blue. I feel like this is such a eyeshadow don't. When they have the do's and the don'ts, I feel like this is a don't. Looking back, but whatever. I tried to make it work. Alright, look, so I'm gonna need this to be a judgment-free zone. I've seen how the ladies do the little cut crease, and I'm like, you know what? I want to try that. Looking back again, I probably should have practiced before I tried. Look, I look mad crazy right now. But this is my attempt at a cut crease. Okay, don't judge, judgment-free zone, because don't forget, I don't really do this makeup thing. I just needed a dramatic look for the night. Alright, so NicoleGuerriero has these really dramatic, beautiful falsies, and I found them, I think, in Walgreens or something, and they're just so freaking amazing. So that's what I end up using for my lashes. So NicoleGuerriero. And for my glue, I use the Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe by iEnvy. So pretty much what I did was put the glue on the lash line and allowed it to get tacky while I finished putting on my makeup. So back to the foundation, but the correct way. And for my foundation, I use MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. So from here, I'm just going to pat on the turquoise color. It's literally the only turquoise color in the palette, and it's so pretty. I don't know the name of it. I had a little plastic sheet that had all the names, and I have no idea where that's at. But I was looking for something that could go with my nails. So my color theme for the night with accessories and everything, my nails and makeup, was pretty much blue and teal. So I just pretty much packed it on top of the concealer that I put on my eyelids like a freaking maniac. And I was trying to be so quick, and I was getting really anxious because I'm like, oh my god, we're gonna be so late. But I got it on there. So there was this mica type shimmery silver eyeshadow in the palette. I'm like, let me put a little bit on the middle of the lid. So that's pretty much me just blending it in there. I'm like, I need to shine. So pretty much now it's time for eyeliner. I'm like, I need a nice wing look that is going to still show and be prominent and look nice below my lashes. So I just pretty much glided it on an angle and filled everything in from there. time to apply my lashes. So I ended up using my tweezers to apply my lashes to pretty much my lash line. And I just placed them lightly on there. The glue is tacky because while I was putting on my makeup, it was, you know, drying to become tacky. So I just used my mirror to make sure that I really got it on there. And the funny thing is I have an applier that makes it really stick to the lashes. But I was just trying to move so fast. I'm like, I just don't have time to look for anything or to get anything. But I got them on there. And I had a little boo-boo. But that's all right, it's okay. So for my lips, I use Harlem Night by Eylure, which is the blue, and then the turquoise is called Eylure Force, and I use that for the middle to create an ombre look. After much blending and shortcuts, it actually didn't come out too bad. Don't forget to comment below. I want to hear your biggest rush job makeup tip.
Me I drink pine and ginger. The mommy for wine, but I think I'm gonna play that. Me I drink pine and ginger.